how to deactivate TikTok account. So basically, if you want to deactivate your TikTok account because maybe you want to stay away temporarily, you can simply open the TikTok application, and this is the interface you will see. Simply come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, and once you've done that, you can tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen and simply go to settings and privacy. Now once you go to settings and privacy, here you will see all these options again. You can simply go to the option called account. Once you go to account, here you can see this option that says deactivate or delete account. So obviously you can tap on deactivate or delete account button, and once you've done that, you can simply select the option called deactivate account. It will ask you for a confirmation, so yes, you can tap on the deactivate button to be able to deactivate your account. This way you'll be able to deactivate your TikTok account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.